Webflow Website Builder Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Webflow is a powerful website builder that combines design flexibility, robust features, and professional tools tailored for designers, developers, and businesses. At its core, Webflow allows users to create visually stunning, fully customizable websites without writing a single line of code. It bridges the gap between a drag-and-drop interface and advanced coding, making it ideal for professionals who want more control than traditional builders like Wix or Squarespace, but don't want to dive into complex development. Key features include a visual editor that mirrors advanced design tools like Adobe XD or Figma, giving designers pixel-perfect precision. It supports responsive design by default, allowing seamless adjustments for desktop, tablet, and mobile. The CMS, Content Management System, is another standout, enabling dynamic content creation without plugins or back-end hassles. Additionally, Webflow's hosting is powered by Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Fastly, ensuring exceptional speed and security. One of Webflow's greatest strengths is its scalability. It's perfect for creative agencies, freelancers, and growing businesses because it allows the creation of professional-grade websites with animations, interactions, and e-commerce functionalities. The platform also offers robust SEO tools like clean HTML5 code, meta tag customization, and sitemaps, ensuring your site is search engine friendly. Plus, the Webflow University offers comprehensive tutorials and resources to help users get started quickly. However, Webflow does come with weaknesses. The steep learning curve might deter beginners who prefer a simpler drag-and-drop experience. While the platform offers immense customization, those unfamiliar with design principles or web development concepts might feel overwhelmed. Its pricing, which starts at $14 per month for basic sites and climbs with added features, can also feel steep compared to competitors offering more budget-friendly plans. In summary, Webflow is best suited for designers, agencies, and tech-savvy entrepreneurs looking for a professional-grade, highly customizable website builder. If you're willing to invest the time to learn its tools and features, it's a game-changer for creating unique, high-quality websites. For beginners or those seeking a quick, budget-friendly setup, alternatives might be more suitable. Overall, Webflow stands out as a premium choice for serious creators who demand flexibility and performance.